Do you know what cachaça is or how it's made? Have you heard of this Brazilian drink but have no idea of its origin? E aí pessoal, what's up guys? My name is Rui and today we're gonna go to find out once and for all what is cachaça. So let's come to Brazil!
Come to Brazil, come to Brazil, come to Brazil, come to Brazil.
First of all, let's learn how to say cachaça. I know it can be a bit tricky at first, but repeat after me. Cachaça. There you go, cachaça. The cedilha doesn't exist in English. It's unique to Portuguese and has a sound similar to the letter S. Cachaça is a Brazilian distilled liquid made from the fermentation of raw sugarcane juice. It's come from sugarcane, just like rum, but it's cachaça rum. One could say that cachaça is a type of rum, although both are made from the sugarcane. The main difference between the two is that cachaça is made from the fermentation of fresh, raw sugarcane juice, while rum is made from the sugarcane byproducts like molasses. Wait. Are you still not subscribed to my channel? Come on, man. Subscribe now so you don't miss any videos and go ahead and give this sneaky little like. For me, please, come on. What is the best cachaça? In Brazil there are several cachaça to choose from, ranging from the artisanal to industrial. Here, in the state where I live, Alagoas, there is a cachaça called Caraçuípe that is sold to whole Brazil and for me is the best. They even have a variant of it focused on young adults called escorrega, which will be something like slip in a literal translation. Internationally, I believe you can usually find Ipioca or Leblon to buy, which are also excellent. Ipioca has been in the business of making cachaça since 1843, being one of the oldest and most traditional brands. The more affordable options are 51 or 51 and Pitu. Additionally, cachaça comes in different types, such as cachaças aged in wooden barrels, which acquires specific flavors and aromas during the aging process. Cachaça is often used in traditional Brazilian cocktail like the Caipirinha and is an important part of Brazil's culture and history. Remember that you can only drink if you're a legal age. Minors should not consume alcoholic beverages. So that's it, I'll be going now and don't forget never, please come to Brazil!
Come to Brazil, come to Brazil.
And if you want to learn how to make a caipirinha, the famous Brazilian drink, it's very easy. Click here in this video where I teach you step by step and also give you valuable tips to not make mistakes. Go ahead, click there, come on, click!